Welcome back to Idelvix. You ready for new general knowledge quiz about animals? Let's get started. On which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer: lion. 2. Which bird is known for its colorful feathers? Answer: peacock. 3. Which animal is known to have a trunk? Answer: elephant. 4. What do camels store in their humps? Answer: fat. 5. Which bird can mimic human speech? Answer: parrot. 6. What animal is known for its long neck? Answer: giraffe. 7. What is the main diet of a carnivore? Answer: meat. 8. Which animal is known as a sheep of the desert? Answer: camel. 9. Which fish is the largest in the ocean? Answer: whale shark. 10. What is a baby kangaroo called? Answer: Joey. 11. Which animal is famous for playing dead? Answer: possum. 12. What is the group name for a collection of lions? Answer: pride. 13. Which animal is known for changing its color? Answer: chameleon. 14. What type of animal is a crocodile? Answer: reptile. 15. What is the tallest animal in the world? Answer: giraffe. 16. What type of animal is a snake? Answer: reptile. 17. Which animal is known for its powerful kick? Answer: kangaroo. 18. What is the slowest animal on land? Answer: sloth. 19. What is the fastest land animal? Answer: cheetah. 20. What type of animal is a frog? Answer: amphibian. 21. What is the largest mammal? Answer: whale. 22. Which mammal lays eggs? Answer: platypus. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.